everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 757 Basha Arc. Great property located in Banmore Estate, brand new construction by Red Cliff Homes. This one has a great lot. You have no neighbors to the west of you. You're looking out at pecan orchards there. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, large primary suite with a big sitting area as well. 3-car garage, has amazing epoxy flooring on it. Great property, again, huge backyard as well. So let's take a look around. Thank you for taking the tour of 757 Basha Arc. Again, an incredible brand new construction in Banmore Estate. Fantastic lot. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage, large primary suite with a sitting area and a large backyard. I mean, this is just an absolutely great backyard. Great thing about this lot is you have no neighbors to the west, so you're just looking at the pecan orchards there. So give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.